Hello, Ella. Hello.
She's doing ab exercises.
There
What
we
a
go.
fit little girl.
Oh, cutie.